And this is where behavioral engineering comes in. We don't just move a vanilla developer to black belt, but we have to use all the 2 decades and a half of research that we have done since 2000 to find a recipe that can move a junior developer to black belt in a safe way, in a way that is compatible to work in an industry where you have to perform every day, in a dysfunctional environment that is requiring you with your white belt skills to deliver software in production. And so what we have done is a catalog of almost 150 KPIs, so key behavioral indicators, that are tracking how dysfunctional the individual and the team are in shipping and running software in production. As you see, the analogy with the martial dojo is here. Because in a dojo, I can predict the outcomes of a student by watching their behaviors. When I have new students, I can predict which kind of student is stepping on the tatami, only looking at the posture of the parents. And let's go for a canonical example. You see 2 parents with passive-aggressive behaviors, and you know immediately, okay, which kind of kiddo do we have in the dojo now? If you see that the kid is mirroring the boldness of the parents, you almost probably know that is a kiddo that is toward bullies. If we are new bully in the gym, let's find out. That kids probably in the gym will showcase what they have witnessed at home, all the chaos of the 2 dysfunctional parents. And if we don't intervene, they will mirroring their behaviors in the gym with other kids. And this is where the trouble will begin. Because if this kid will do the same to others, most probably somebody will get injured because he's only a white belt. And if does this to other white belts, they will get injured. And so I need to prevent it. I need to stop this even before it can become a reality. This is why I need to watch key indicators, key behaviors in the environment, in the family, in the individuals to understand, okay, how they will most probably behave. Because if they would behave in an unsafe way, how I can warranty the safety of sparring. The same is if a kid comes that is very scared. I look immediately of which kind of behaviors they have, which kind of events makes them scared. Raising the voice, staring with them, touching them, raising an hand to grab their kimono, all indicators that are showing different kind of violence, physically, mentally, and other kinds of abuses. So their behaviors, they're telling me a story without that I ask them anything. You see, they're kids, and so they don't have that many filters. In software is the same. Developers are readable like kids.